Today, you'll learn an arm workout with variations that you can do from the comfort of your own home. Hey there, Coach Tyler here, where we show you how to transform your body from the comfort of your own home, which is exactly why we're in my living room. So here's what we're gonna do today. I've got Mike here with me, and so I'm gonna walk you through 2 arm exercises using him as my model that you can easily do in your living room, and then show you a 3-minute workout that you can follow along to. And I guarantee your arms will feel fired up by the end. And as always, be sure to check in with your personal care provider before trying any new exercise routine. Once you've done that though, come work out with us. Okay, the 2 arm exercises we're doing today are tabletop holds and chair dips. Before we do this follow along though, let us show you how to do each exercise with perfect form, which will help you get the most out of your workout and help you avoid injury. To start, we're gonna go to the tabletop hold. So feel free to practice along and decide which variation you're going to use. Okay, the first variation of the tabletop is called the tabletop hold. Great exercise for your core and especially your triceps. So to get set up for this, start in a seated position with your legs straight, then bring your hands behind you with your fingertips turned backwards right behind your butt. Okay, so from there, to get your hips up into the right position, I want you to dig your heels into the ground like you're trying to do a hamstring curl. So Mike, go ahead and lift your hips up, curl into the ground. Good, you see how much weight's on his heels? We really like that. Bring your hips as high as you possibly can. You may not be able to go as high as Mike, so just go as high as you possibly can. Now from here, try to bring your shoulder blades back and down as much as possible. It's gonna open your chest like crazy, and it's gonna make those muscles get stronger, which is gonna make your posture better. Also, don't look down at your toes, keep your head nice and tall. And from one perspective here is you wanna make sure your knee doesn't go outside or inside your toes. You wanna make sure that knee is going the same exact direction as your toes. From there, you're gonna hold this position, and you're gonna breathe shallow and try to keep your glutes tight and your core tight and those shoulders pulled back the entire time as you do this. Now, if this is too hard, let us show you an easier variation. All right, this is a more beginner variation of the tabletop called low chair tabletop lifts. For this one, you're gonna start in a seated position with your legs straight, just like you were on the floor. And then you're gonna bring your hands behind you with your fingertips facing backwards again, and you're gonna try to pull that posture back, curl your heels, lift your hips, and go nice and straight lines. So as you can see, Mike's got a straight line from the knee, through the hips, through the shoulders, all the way through the top of his head. He doesn't wanna crunch his chin like this or jet his chin forward, and you really wanna pull the shoulder blades back. Push them forward real quick so they can see what's going wrong. Like that, not good. Lift the chest, pull the shoulder blades back. That is a really good position right there. Now, since this is a lift and not a hold, I want you to come into this position, hold it for just a second, come back down, tap your butt, take a quick rest, and then come back up. All right, so you're gonna go in and out of this position over and over again. This way you can inhale as you come up, exhale as you go down, and repeat this rep for the entire time we're doing this workout. All right, let's go on to the next exercise. All right, the second exercise is called the bent knee low chair dip. And this exercise is really, really good for your triceps, the muscles on the back sides of your arms, and as well as strengthening even your legs and your core at the same time, okay? So to start out with, you're gonna bring your hands right next to your hips, but this time you're gonna have your fingertips facing forward. You can bring your feet out just a little bit more than that so you have plenty of space to come down, and you're gonna slide your butt out in front, and then you're gonna dip your butt all the way down as low as you can, and come back up by pressing your hands into the ground. Now go ahead and do another rep. At the bottom, you don't want to round your chest forward. So show me that's bad posture. You don't want to do that. You want to lift your chest as high as you can. And when you press up, you want to lean back against your triceps so that you really activate those muscles as much as possible. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you come up. Go as deep as you can comfortably. Now, if you need to get a little more range of motion, you can always take your feet a little bit wider and do a wider stance version of this as well. Otherwise, inhale as you go down, exhale as you come up, and repeat this exercise during the workout. Now, if this is too hard, I'm gonna show you a slightly easier variation next. All right, for this more beginner variation, this exercise is called the wide stance half low chair dip. So what makes this different is you're gonna take your feet out quite a bit wider. So a real nice wide stance. You're gonna bring your hands next to your hips just like you were before. Bring your hips forward, and then you're only gonna go halfway down, and you're gonna keep your knees out nice and wide. So don't let your knees cave in. Show me like a knee cave where your knees come in. Don't do that. That's terrible for the inside of your knee. It's gonna hurt them. So press your knees out the whole time. That's gonna help use your glute muscles a little bit more to support you as you do this. Now again, go down as deep as you can, but you only have to go about halfway down. And if you can't do that, all you have to do is a little tiny bend of the elbows up and down. But otherwise, everything else is the same. Keep the chest open, keep the shoulder blades back, press backwards at the top position. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you come up, and repeat that during the entire workout. All right, now that you know the exercises, all you have to do is decide which variation you want to do. And then you'll do 20 seconds of work with a 10-second rest in between exercises for 3 rounds. You'll rotate between one of the tabletop variations and one of the chair dip variations. So let's get ready to work your arms with us in 3, 2, 1, and go!
Take a big breath in as you go down and give a big exhale as you go up.
If this is too hard, try this.
Three, 2, 1. Keep it up. I'm proud of you. Up next, tabletop hold. Get ready. Try to keep your head in line with your spine as you do this movement. Work hard and be proud that you're here right now. 3, 2, 1. You crushed it. Round 2. Woo! Next up, bent knee, low chair dips. Get ready. If you round your back as you go up and down, you're going too deep. Just go as far as you can with good form. If this is too easy, try this. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Keep it up. Up next, tabletop hold. Get ready. Don't wish for it, work for it. Take care of your body and your body will take care of you. Squeeze your shoulder blades back and down as you do this movement. Whoever is happy will make others happy too. 3, 2, 1. You're crushing it. Round 3, here we go. Next up, bent knee, low chair dips. Get ready. Try to flex your triceps on the back of your arms as you fully extend your elbows. Try to stay tall through the top of your head the entire time. Keep pushing yourself. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Up next, tabletop hold. Get ready. Even if you can only do 1 rep, do it with perfect form. If this is too hard, try this. Make this a habit. This is so good for you. 3, 2, 1. You made it. If you enjoyed these simple exercises and you really want to start building strength and building muscle so you can actually feel great in your body again, and so you can actually move around in real life without feeling strained, then you're gonna love the simple workouts that we create for our members over at WeShape. In order to get one of these workouts, all you have to do is click the link below, take our new client survey, and once you answer those questions, we'll create a customized follow along workout, where every single exercise in your workout is customized to your individual skill level and your current level of strength. Just go ahead and click that link below and we'll send you a customized workout for free today.
Let us know in the comments below which variation you chose and if you like this follow along home workout. Also, click the subscribe button and the little bell if you want to be notified the next time we put out a new video. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.